Hey everyone! I'm super excited to share with you an amazing DIY project, transforming a shipping container into your very own cozy home. Whether you're looking to expand your living space or just want a cool new project, this is something you don't want to miss. So let's dive right in. First things first, where do you get a shipping container? Well, they're more accessible than you might think. You can find them at local depots, through brokers, or even online platforms like Craigslist or eBay. Prices can vary, but generally, you're looking at about $1,500 to $3,000 for a good condition 20-foot container. Make sure to inspect it for structural integrity and rust before buying. Once you've got your container, the real fun begins, turning it into a home. The transformation process starts with planning. Sketch out a design or work with an architect who has experience with container homes. This plan will be your roadmap for the entire project. Next, let's talk about insulation. Shipping containers are made of steel, which means they can get pretty hot or cold depending on the weather. Spray foam insulation is a popular choice because it acts as both insulation and a vapor barrier. Don't skimp on this step. Comfort is key. Windows and doors are next. Cutting through steel might sound daunting, but with the right tools, like a plasma cutter, it's totally doable. Just be sure to measure twice and cut once. Adding large windows will not only bring in natural light, but also help your container feel more spacious. Now let's move inside. Electricity and plumbing are critical, and this is where I strongly recommend consulting with professionals. Safety is paramount, and you want to ensure everything is up to code. As for the interior design, this is where you can really make it your own. Compact and multifunctional furniture works best in these small spaces. Use bright colors and light wood tones to keep it feeling airy and open. And voila! With some hard work and creativity, you've transformed a humble shipping container into a cozy, inviting home. Remember, the key to a successful container home is careful planning and attention to detail. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice, taking the time to do things right will pay off in comfort and style. Thanks for tuning in. If you're inspired to start your own container home project, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool DIY projects. Can't wait to see what you all come up with. Happy building!